Hey guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3. Before that, let me tell you, Max Pro M2 was a success with few bugs here and there but offered great specs at affordable prices. So we expect nothing less from Max Pro M3 with great software optimization. Now beginning with display, it will feature a full HD Plus IPS LCD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection on top. You are not getting AMOLED or OLED displays as this will increase the cost, and probably it will come with a water drop notch on top which will house a front facing camera of 20 megapixel, or it could be more. It's still unknown, but the more the better. On the back it will come with a polycarbonate body or the molded plastic. Anyways, it will be made up of plastic like most mid-range phones have these days. No metal or glass body will be seen. After that, if we take a look at the processor, it's speculated that it will come with a Snapdragon 675 processor which was used in Redmi Note 7 Pro, but I have a gut feeling that it will be featuring a 700 series chipset. If we take a look at Max Pro M2, which featured a Snapdragon 660 processor which at that time was the latest and the greatest for mid-range chipset. So I reckon it will be the latest chipset that will be featured when Max Pro M3 will be launched. But overall the performance will be great. The camera is expected to feature a triple camera setup with primary 48 megapixel sensor. It's unknown whether it will be from Sony or Samsung, and a depth sensor and a wide angle sensor. And as I said in my previous videos that Redmi has set the standard for mid-range smartphone for cameras, then every vendor has to follow this or else they will fall behind in this race. And there is also a problem with optimization for Asus cameras, so we hope to see that getting fixed in Max Pro M3. The last year's Max Pro M2 featured a 5000 mAh battery, and we expect nothing less than that. If they did it with M2, then why not with M3? So it's expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery with USB Type-C port, which is a huge upgrade over Max Pro M2's micro USB. This will also feature a fast charging, unlike the Max Pro M2 where no fast charging was available. So you are getting an all-round battery performance. In addition to that, it will come with an Android Pie, as Android Q is still far and the adoption of Android Pie right now is only 10% overall. So don't expect Android Q out of the box, but if something new gets leaked, I will always let you know. Finally, the price. It will be around Rs 15,000 as with many mid-range smartphones. What do you think will be the phone's USP? What do you think they will add new to make it stand out from the other smartphones? Do comment. And guys, if any new leak comes up, then I will let you know. And share, subscribe for more such videos. Peace out.